when developing with WordPress, it is a good idea to have a solid WordPress environment. And a good thing is to have that locally on your machine. And I'm using a slick application that is called Local VP. And if you are not using that one, then I strongly suggest that you download that one from localvp.com. And when you start that one up, it looks kind of like this. Here are all my sites that I'm fiddling around with. But to create a new site, I just click the plus sign and I give it a name. So let's call this PODS store, maybe, and click continue. And here you can set up if you really would like to customize anything. But let's add an admin user here and a password. As it is local on your machine, maybe you don't even need a password. And then your WordPress email address. Then we add the site. And what is happening now is that it tries to install everything that is needed for this one. And in my case, I'm not logged in as an admin user. So therefore, it will pop up a prompt here where it's asks for an admin user. So let's add that and set that one up. And now it installs WordPress and adds every file that is needed and copies that. And everything kind of works by itself. So I don't need to do anything more. So I just clicked the button and I added a couple of things here. And here you see that I can actually change if I would like to run on Apache instead. I can swap that one. I can swap the PHP version. And in my case, if I would like to use 8, then I need to download that one. But this will probably be good enough. If there is a plugin that says that I need a newer version, then I can go here and change that one. You can directly access the database if you need to, and you have a direct link to the admin store and or to the admin page, and also you can open just the site. You also have a link up here if you like to go into the file system to find your site. So let's go to the admin part of this one, and here we need to log in. So let's log in with the thing that we added here, like this. And I don't want to save that in one password at the moment. So now we are logged in. And as I said, we are going to use a few different plugins. So first of all, let's add them to the site, and then we can start working with them. First of all, we of course need the PODS plugin. So let's hunt that one down. And it is this one, custom content types and fields. So let's install that one. As you can see, PODS is a big plugin, so there are plugins for the plugin, so to speak. But here we are installing the PODS and we activate that one. And when we have activated that one, we see that now we have the PODS admin entry in the menu here. But let's add the other thing that we wanted also. So let's add the member plugin and see if we can find that one. And it is this one, the memberships and user rule editor. So let's install that one. This one, as this is downloading, paid memberships pros has a really close connection to PODS. So maybe we should have used that one instead. But now I said that I will use this one, so let's use this one. The members plugin, and then we have one final plugin that we also would like to install, and that is the View Admin As. But first we would like to get these members downloaded. And that failed. Not good. Let's try this one again. And let's hit install now and see if this one works better. Or now something strange has happened, and I don't like that when I'm recording videos, but now it works, so thank you. Let's activate that one. And then we have one final plugin to install, and these are the 3 plugins that and the last one is actually not needed. Now this one is a fairly big plugin, so it might take some time, but here we have the members and the PODS plugin. So let's add the View Admin As plugin, and let's see if we can find that one. It is here, so let's install that one. That should probably go a little bit quicker because it is not that super big, and that was better and quicker, or maybe not better, but quicker at least. So now we have everything installed and we can start to work with all of these.